Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie Belly TV video, Taste Buds. Yeah, today I'm feeling for stew peas. It's a Saturday and we just feel like some stew peas need for running at the house. So I'm making a traditional stew peas as much as possible. And I have some pigtail and chicken foot right there. And I'm gonna be stewing that down with some coconut milk, and I have red kidney beans here. I'm gonna put them to soak, and yeah, I make a traditional stew peas. All right, I'm gonna probably just cook the red peas in the pressure cooker. Yeah, red peas and coconut milk and stew peas have to run. Me say stew peas have to run. All right, I put on the water this now for us and boil. I wash it and clean it up already. I put it on for boil, and you're gonna see how I do my thing. All right. So I just put on my pigtail. the pressure cooker and try to get it soft. All right. Yeah, man, that's the thing set. Or you can soak this overnight if you want, but yeah, I just feel feet this morning, so I work without my feel. You see me? So now we have our peas pressuring and doing well, and I'm just about to take out the pig's tail and the chicken foot out of the liquid that I've been blanching them in. However, we have a development, guys, because I realized that this pigtail is not salted, and so blanching them off and then removing them and putting them in a second water is not necessary. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna take out all of the seasonings out of this water, all the garlic and stuff that we put in, and we're gonna use this water to start our cooking process, because the flavor, all them spices and herbs has released so much flavor in it that you don't want to throw that away. See, you take out all that it is, strain it off nice, and you have an immensely flavored broth by which you can start your cooking process, guys. And so that's what we're gonna do. Now this is unconventional, so I would not tell you to do it. It's just our choice. Normally you would discard the water, because again you would be using salted pigtail, but in this case we're not, so we're gonna work with it. So now that my peas is pressured and finally pressured, I can now add that peas to this broth and we can start the normal cooking process back again now. Let's go. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my coconut milk, because we're gonna be stewing the pigtail and stuff in the coconut milk. All right, so we want to add the coconut milk, and in this case I don't need to add mix any water to the coconut milk. I just need to put the coconut milk in the pot and whisk it in, all right, because it's already warm water, and I don't need any excessive amount of water. So I'm using 1 full pack of coconut milk powder. If you want to grate your coconut and extract the milk from it, that's your business. If you want to use the canned one, again, you have that option, but for us this one works fine. So we're using 1 packet of coconut milk and adding that to our blanching liquid, or braising liquid, and then we're gonna get this thing on the road. Yeah, man. Now I'm adding back my meats to this liquid to finish cooking. As remember, you're not gonna cook them all the way through initially. We're just gonna blanch them until they reach a certain level, and then you finish them in the stew. So now we have them stewing down. They're gonna be stewing in this coconut milk, and that's where we're gonna start to add our different flavors, our herbs again, and make everything look nice. The peas is ready, almost ready, and so I'm gonna add those, but I'm not gonna really push for add the peas them too early, because I don't want them mash out. You understand? So just I go and season this and stew this down and make it nice, and then now I'm putting in my onions and garlic and scallions. Yeah, you want to put thyme, you want to put country pepper, all those things you're gonna eventually put, and you build back the flavors now as this finish reduce down and start to become a good stew. Here I go now with my peas, and immediately the color is gonna change because of the redness of the peas. It's gonna change the color, so you're not gonna get this white stew anymore. You're gonna get a nice deep red stew. And you want to keep your stove on medium to low for this one, and I just allow everything to amalgamate, everything to simmer down and to blend nicely. It's gonna get a little bit deeper in color as the peas continue to break down, and everything is coming together. You want to check for salt and flavor. So I'm adding seasoned salt. And guys, remember, again, it's better to add salt than to try to keep taking away salt. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but when you are not using the salted version, you can add salt to the dimensions that you are okay with. All right, so we add salt, we add our garlic powder, and here is our beautiful Scotch bonnet pepper that's just gonna be placed on top, and it's just gonna add awesome flavor. All right, so cooking, we're going to cook now and see how the thing go. Oh, by the way, guys, we have to make spinners. Now, spinners is just small dough rolls that you add to your stew peas. And what spinners does, aside from being awesomely delicious, spinners add a little bit more thickness to it, because it's just simply flour. Again, with the spinners, I do not add any salt. Some people add salt to their flour to make spinners. I don't. I just mix it up and get going. When you're always having to check. I tell you, Yardie Belly TV, you know we always come with bangers, right? Look here. Look at cucumber, little rice, and your stew peas. Yeah, man, that's how the thing said on a Saturday. I say you have to run it. Yardie Belly TV. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember me tell you.